that sounds like a fucking Sasquatch or something, but it's like an elk. Like, have you ever heard an elk scream? It's crazy sounding. It sounds insane.
Yeah, yeah.
Especially if it's like close by, you're like, but I think that you'll hear that and it sounds loud, but it'll be like a mile away. Shit's crazy. But that being said, I also know plenty of people who are very experienced, like outdoorsmen, like my dad, seen things, and he's just straight up like, I don't know what it was.
Mm-hmm.
Like, I know it wasn't a bear or like a mountain lion or like a deer.
He presumably knows every animal in the area.
Yeah, he's like, I've seen every animal.
Yeah.
I know what animals look like, and this was like, it wasn't like obstructed. It was just like, just something stood up and walked away, and I was like, I don't know what.
Yeah, yeah. Me and Dawson lived in Wisconsin for
thousands of stories like
20 years of our life. That kind of Northwoods area. See, it's not like the like Pacific Northwest where it seems to really be popping, but it's like there was always stories running around there.
Enough going on.
We moved to Colorado 7 or 8 years ago, and there's stuff out here. We've been around it, right?
Yeah.
And I mean, obviously, it's like woods are scary, like regardless. And like when you're out there by yourself or there's like a small group, like your senses are gonna be heightened to death, and you're gonna hear echoes of things.
You're gonna feel like something's watching you.
Yeah.
That's a very but that's not to credit that shit. Because that is real. Because I've been out in like the San Luis Valley, which is like a hot spot for like UFO activity.
Mm-hmm.